Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we are going to be learning how to change your name in Idle Heroes step by step. Idle Heroes offers a straightforward method to change your in-game name. This will allow you to personalize your gaming experience, and here's how you can do it. First of all, open up Idle Heroes on your device and log into your account. Once you're in, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. Now, from the player info page, tap on the pencil button. Enter your new name in the text box. Now, once you've entered your name and you'd like to change it again, you'll need to spend 200 diamonds. If you've got enough, you can tap on OK, and you will be able to change your username or your name in Idle Heroes. So that's how you can easily do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.